Hello everyone. You are watching PMN Online, and in this tutorial, we will learn how to change PayPal account address to another country in 2025. If you've ever moved countries and realized you can't just update your PayPal location, you are definitely not alone. Maybe you set up your account in the UK and now you live in the UAE and you need access to your funds. That's a real headache, but don't worry, we have solutions for this exact problem. Let's dive right into what you can and cannot do when trying to change your country on PayPal. Checking the address settings. First, let me log in here. Okay, so as you can see, to change your country, you first need to understand the limitations. You need to go up to the settings gear icon right there in the top corner. If you scroll down inside the settings, you will see the address section. If you click on it, you'll notice something important. You can change the street address, the city, or the zip code, but you will not see an option here to change the country itself. That is locked in place once the account is created. The official reality check. This is the crucial part. And I know this because I have called PayPal support multiple times about this issue. They confirm the same thing every time. Once you create a PayPal account registered to a specific country, like the UK, you cannot change that country designation later. It is permanent for that specific account. So if you absolutely must operate in a new country, you have a few paths forward. Solution 1. Closing and starting fresh. The simplest way, if you have minimal funds or don't mind the process, is to close your existing PayPal account entirely. Once it is closed, you can then create a brand new PayPal account, making sure to use your current country details during the sign-up process. Remember, you cannot have two personal PayPal accounts under the same name and personal information. Solution 2. Adding a business account. If you have money sitting in your original personal account that you need to access, closing it might not be ideal immediately. In this case, the best route is to open a second account, but this second account must be a business account. You can easily create this by opening a new tab and signing up for a new PayPal account. Selecting the business option. Make sure everything you enter, your name and details, is 100% legitimate. Once you have your new business account, you can safely transfer all the money from your old personal account over to your new business account. The business account will need a different email address, of course. You simply go to the send function on your old personal account, enter the new business email, and transfer the balance. Solution 3. Using an intermediary service. Now, what if you have a lot of money in the old PayPal and you really don't want to transfer it directly between your own accounts, or you just want another layer of access? In that scenario, you can look into creating an account with a service like Payoneer. Payoneer can provide you with bank account details that are recognized internationally. You can then transfer all the funds from your old, location-locked PayPal account to your new Payoneer account. From Payoneer, you can get a virtual card to make online payments, or you can transfer that money directly to your local bank account in your new country. This works regardless of where you are located. Hopefully, this guide helped you easily master how to change PayPal account address to another country in 2025. If it did, please let us know down in the comment section below. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to the channel PMN Online.